So guys, mimi acha tu niseme kwa sababu nyinyi wote you all are thinking about it. But you're not saying it. So acha tu vipi niseme. Mtu wako kando ya Kasamueli. Hebu tuguzie pulses. Kaangaliwe kama kanapumua vizuri. Eka hata mkono hapa. Tusikie tu kama kanapumua vizuri. Kwa sababu wahenga na wahenguzi ya waku paka mpafuta. Walipoamba mchimba kisima huingia kama Kasamueli. Bro, I'm so excited. Yeah? Yani kalikuwa kanadhani katatokea kwa documentary. Yeah? Kamepigwa na butua. Anyway, kama haujawacha documentary, kimbia tu pale YouTube, search BBC Africa and watch it to the end. Wacha kusema ati nimefika nusu nikalia. Watch it to the end because it's necessary. It is necessary. Anyway, must go kama Kasamueli.
Matako zenu buda, matako nyinyi. Cheki, nyambeni huko buda. Sawa, mnyambe huko.
Kasamueli Kashetani was nowhere to be found. He was nowhere to be found kwa hiyo documentary at the Blood Parliament. Now jamaa, he was everywhere. Kizungu mingi, oh, will not allow, comrade viva, vijana viva, stupid, pumbaf. Na hii, it is a good lesson. Now you have to notice this, guys. Wale watu ambao wanafanyanga kazi kwa ground, hawaongeangi mingi. Look at Ademba. Imagine this guy. It is very unfortunate that this guy is trending after 1 year of demonstration, man. He's trending after 1 year of demonstration. Ujamaa anahitaji flowers zake. Ujamaa anafaa kuomoka. Unajua mtu kama Kasamueli alitumia hiyo demonstration kama kiki. Akakuwa notice na mapolitical parties na wakubwa. Saa hii alitusaliti kitambo, anaenjoy maisha. Watu ambao wanafaa kuenjoy maisha ni kama Ademba. I'm so disappointed. Kashetani now is enjoying life. Someone like Ademba, bado haja make it. Anyway, but you need to notice watu wa pere hawakwangi na anything. They don't because the whole documentary, hakuna hata mahali moja nimeona Kasamueli Kashetani hapo. Hakuna hata mahali nimemuona pale. That's very unfortunate. Yeah.
And you guys are gonna let it slide to the fucking ground. All of it.
Let me just be honest. I've not watched the documentary of BBC. Mimi nafata tu hizi video ndogo zenye ambazo zinatumanishwa. For once, tumelia, tumehuzunika, but for once we have to appreciate the people who wrote the documentary. Mimi hata akieka paybill wale inamlipa. Yani Kasamueli na ule Morara, they have not been included in the trailer. Na kule kasichana Kenyamboka alikuanga na kerere mara kwanza maandamano yakianza. Mimi hapo naye imenifurahisha moyo. Yani Kasamueli venye alitubetray mchana kweupe akaturuka kipetero Kiesu ayuko katika documentary na huo urefu wake kama twiga. Mungu apewe sifa bwana. Hauwezi ukatutesa sisi wa Kenya alafu uende kuscot free. Damu ya wale watu ulio betray tawafuata wewe na kizazi chenu nyinyi, na bado wafu wakandamize mpaka wafu wafuate katika sanduku la sahau. Nimesikia raha that Kasamueli, the big leader of betrayal, is not in that documentary. I'm so happy. I'm happy but sad. I'm crying, but another way my heart is so at peace. Kasamueli is not in that documentary of BBC because sijui tungepeleka pipi sura vyetu hivi. Ni Mkikuyu lakini akona masifa kama Mjaluo. Mungu naye halali kaka. Tulia.
I have come across a video of Kasamueli Makore, and I want to tell you that he's bitter, he's hungry, he feels betrayed by BBC because according to him, he was supposed to feature in that BBC documentary that was released the other day. According to Kasamueli, he's saying that he was the force behind the demonstrations. He was the one who mobilized people. He was always on the forefront. So according to him, he was supposed to feature in that documentary. Come rain, come sunshine. Kasamueli Makore, I want to tell you this, my brother. During the independence, we had Mau Mau movement in this country. There's so many people who died on the way from that group. And there's only a few who were recognized, who were celebrated, the likes of Dedan Kimathi. But the others who died on the way, we cannot recognize, we cannot know them. So I believe in this movie, you died on the way, so you are forgotten. Number 2, Kasmuel, according to me, I believe you only came to the street or on the streets for the side shoes. You wanted people to see you putting on pamba safi with a tie, polished shoe, looking all like someone who's going in an office with too much English. So the police were like, this one, we cannot run after him. We cannot go after him. So you wanted to play picky pongi with the police. Kasmuel, when people are going for the demonstration, you are busy hiding behind a super metro. When Alans Ademba was busy talking to the police and telling them, please don't shoot us. We are peaceful. We are only here to do what is right according to us. Please, calm down. He was busy helping people who were injured. You are busy running from one place to another. So let me tell you, the very day they will want someone to be running in a movie, they will come to look for you. Kasmuel Makore, you are a good definition or a clear definition of faith without action is dead. That's the book of James chapter 2 verse 17 to 23. You had faith, but there was no action. You are only putting on a suit with so much English, but there was nothing you are doing on that place. That is why you didn't feature there. So calm down, take a cup of tea, continue moving from one media house to another the way you are still doing. That is what we know you are best at or you are good at, okay? But the other stories, even if you cry, they will know another documentary that you will feature in. And by the way, that's not an award-winning documentary or movie that you want, that you are supposed to be in it. So you should calm down, okay? You don't force yourself somewhere. There is a difference between have a seat and find somewhere to sit. So according to you, you are being told you should find somewhere to sit.
So guys, the documentary. Hatuja move on, bado tuko kwa documentary. Yani kuna comments zingine napatana nazo, yani tu kuna mtu tu mjinga naturally. Hiyo hata tutaekelea babako, wewe tu ni mjinga, mtoto mjinga. Kuna mtu tu ana type na vidole una type tu, hati nani aliwaambia mtoke kwa nyumba, wangebaki kwa nyumba wangeuliwa. Nani aliwaambia walikuwa nenda parliament kutafuta nini wengine pale. Hebu nyamaza wewe, stop exposing your stupidity. Unatuonyesha tu vile wewe ni mjinga. Anyway, hasira imekuwa mingi. Jana na leo hasira tu ni mingi. Sitaki mtumie tu akili. Before you comment, kwangu unafikiria, soma hiyo comment yako mara kwanza na tena.